Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Marcie. I'm Marcie, and today we're doing something really practical and fun. We're going to learn 30 essential English phrases that native speakers use all the time in real conversations. These aren't textbook phrases. These are natural expressions you'll hear at work, in cafés, while shopping, and with friends. I'll explain what each phrase means, when to use it, and I'll give you real-life examples so you can start using them right away. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. What a coincidence! You use this when you meet someone unexpectedly, like running into a neighbor in another city or seeing an old classmate somewhere random. How have you been? This is warmer than "how are you?" and asks about someone's life over a period of time, not just this exact moment. Long time no see. A friendly, casual phrase you use when you haven't seen someone for weeks, months, or even years. How are things with you? A polite and friendly way to ask how someone's life is going. Great for both social and professional situations. Not too bad, thanks. A very natural response, meaning you're doing okay. Nothing amazing, but nothing terrible either. It was great running into you. A warm way to end a short, unexpected conversation and show you enjoyed the encounter. I'm just browsing, thanks. Use this when a shop assistant offers help, but you're just looking around and don't need anything yet. Does this come with a guarantee? A smart question to ask when buying something expensive like electronics or appliances. Is there any chance of a better price? A polite, non-pushy way to ask for a discount, especially in markets or small shops. That's a little steep for me. A softer way to say something is more expensive than you're comfortable paying. I need some time to decide. Perfect when you feel pressured to buy and want to think about it first. What's your exchange policy? Always useful to ask before buying clothes, gifts, or anything you might need to return. Could we possibly sit outside? A polite way to ask for outdoor seating at a restaurant or cafe. I'll go with the pasta, please. A natural and friendly way to say what you've decided to order. Could we have another minute? Use this when you need a bit more time to decide what to order. Can we get this wrapped up? A common way to ask for leftovers to be packed so you can take them home. I'm sorry, but I ordered the chicken, not the fish. A calm and polite way to point out a mistake with your order. Is the tip already added? Important to ask, especially when traveling, so you don't tip twice or forget to tip. I can't eat dairy. Is there any in this dish? Always speak up about dietary restrictions or allergies when ordering food. That was delicious. Compliments to the chef. A lovely way to show appreciation for a great meal. Let's connect sometime this week. A friendly, professional way to suggest a meeting or conversation in the near future. Could you walk me through that? Use this at work when you want someone to explain a process step by step. Just confirming we're scheduled for 3 p.m., correct? A simple and professional way to double-check details. Unfortunately, I have a conflict. A polite way to say you can't attend something because of another commitment. Would you be open to rescheduling? A respectful way to ask if plans can be moved to a different time. That's an interesting perspective. A diplomatic way to acknowledge someone's opinion without agreeing or disagreeing. Let's put a pin in that. A common expression meaning to pause a topic and possibly return to it later. I'll need to circle back on that. A professional way to say you'll follow up once you have more information. Are you doing anything Saturday? A relaxed and friendly way to check if someone is free before making plans. Can I get a rain check? A casual way to postpone plans while showing you still want to do them later. And there you have it. 30 essential English phrases that people actually use every day in real life. Don't try to memorize all of them at once. Pick 3 to 5 phrases you'll use most often and focus on those first. Write them down, say them out loud, and look for chances to use them in real conversations. That's how English becomes natural. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is confidence and connection. Thanks for watching English with Marcie. Keep practicing, stay confident, and see you in the next video.